The soil is quiet now. The chips have all settled. The old ash stands before me, guarding every secret kept. I start upon the beacon, bringing life to every line. A little black, a little gold, and the king begins to shine. Then feather after feather, the white begins to show. Every stroke of pain reveals the warrior down below. I always knew he was there, buried deep within, born of sawdust and fire. He could spread his wings, badass eagle. Oh, look at him now, eyes like lightning, pride in every bow. He rose from ash, he answered every call. The king of sky and timber, standing proud and tall, born of sawdust and fire, carved by steel and sweat. Every cut and every burn, a memory I won't forget. Black and gold. Now the eyes are staring back, and I swear they almost move. Every shadow, every line settles into place at last, and the talons take their turn. Every edge sharp and bold, ready for the wind and storm, ready for the bitter cold. From a block of weathered timber to a ruler of the sky, from the first rough cut I made to the fire in his